Woohoo! Woo! Assalamu Alaikum, friends! Ha! Today, Mustafa is going to lose something very important. Time! Time! Okay, let us start the story. Mustafa bhai, it's time for Salah. Mustafa bhai, just 5 more minutes. 5 minutes. The most dangerous sentence in history. Mustafa just bhai, one last game. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last game. Number 4 to 7. Time is going, Mustafa bhai. Don't worry, Iqra. We have plenty. Wow. Just a little more. Wait. Everyone already went home? Oh no. So much time has passed. Asr is almost ending too. I think time secretly ran away. I knew this was coming. Let's go to the home.
Assalamu Alaikum, children.
Wa alaikum assalam.
Today, you chase time, but time never stops. When we keep saying, later, time quietly slips away. But Salah never waits. Time never comes back. But every child who respects Salah learns to respect every hour Allah gives.
Wow, he still played. But he also prayed.
Yesterday never returns. Only today is in your hands.
Now I understand. Salah doesn't only teach me to pray. It teaches me how to care for every part of my day.
When you respect Salah, you begin respecting time. And when you respect time, life becomes peaceful.
Now I truly understand. Time is very precious. Salah teaches us how to value every moment. I think the next secret is going to be very interesting again. So, my friend, what did we learn today? When we manage our time wisely, we have time to pray, time to learn. Friends, don't waste your time. Finish your important tasks on time, keep praying, keep learning, and keep smiling. See you in episode 6. Bye, friends.